How to share a business with friends on Yelp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to tell your friends about that amazing coffee shop or your new favorite restaurants, well in this video I'll show you how to share any business on Yelp from your phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Yelp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for the restaurant that you want to share. You can type the name into the search bar and tap the correct listing from the result. And here, once you are on the business page, you need to simply look for the share icon. It's usually looks like arrow pointing up or three connected dots, so simply tap on it. Now choose how you want to share it through text message, email, social media, or even copy the link and paste it wherever you like. And here, once you have selected your sharing method, just send it and your friends will receive a direct link to the business page on Yelp. And that's it. That's how you can share a business on Yelp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.